In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, recurring product setup that you can use on checkout pages, funnels, and invoices. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the main menu, open the payment section. This is where all of your products, pricing, and billing settings live. So it's the right place to create and manage what customers will buy. Inside payments, go to the products area. Here you'll see any existing items you've set up. To add a new one, click Create Product. Begin by entering a clear descriptive product name. Keep it concise but specific, like the program name and the plan tier. This name appears on checkout and on customer receipts, so clarity helps reduce confusion and support requests. Next, add a detailed description. Use plain language that explains what the subscription includes, who it's for, and any key deliverables. This is your chance to set expectations up front and make the value obvious. Now let's configure the pricing. In the price section, click the field that currently shows one time to open the options, then choose recurring. That tells GoHighLevel to bill your customers automatically at a set interval. Enter the recurring amount. Use numbers only and match the currency and decimals to how you want it to appear to buyers. A consistent round number often feels cleaner at checkout. If you want to highlight a discount, add a compare at price. This shows the original or standard price next to your recurring amount, which can improve perceived value. Keep it ethical and consistent with any promotions you're running. If you offer a free or reduced cost trial, set the number of trial days. The system will wait that many days before starting the regular recurring charge. Make sure your terms clearly explain when the first payment will happen and how renewals work, so customers know exactly what to expect. Next, choose the billing period. Pick the interval that matches your offer, monthly, weekly, or annually. For example, think about how you deliver value. A monthly cadence pairs well with ongoing services or content drops, while annual can work for established programs with predictable updates. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new subscription product will appear in the product list, ready to be used wherever you accept payments in GoHighLevel. Before you share it, consider running a quick test purchase using a low amount or a trial to confirm the pricing, billing period, and description all display correctly. That's it. You've created a subscription product the right way.